The match today, Daquan Green of Charlie Smith High School. First of all, what a game. Congratulations on advancing to the quarter-final stage. The guys drew the first leg, against Campion College, sorry. What was the mood coming into today's game?
The mood coming into today's game was keep our mindset, stay focused, and play how we know to play the ball game.
Were you guys surprised at the draw last week?
We didn't surprise because the field beat us, the rain and a lot of that, so we just have to come out here and show them what we could do.
Talk to me about your team's performance today. Very impressive, scoring 2 good goals. You yourself getting on the score sheet, and one of your wingers scoring from a short corner. Talk to me through the team's performance.
My team performance, like in the changing room, like from training and the Thursday, we always focus and we talk to each other like what we're gonna come out here today and do. My number 3 always say he want to score one of those goals like Neymar, and he go out there and he get it. I always want to score a header for my opening goal, and I get it.
All right. On your individual performance, though, I see you communicating to the guys that they are receptive to your communication. Now, how are you as a leader for this team? What do you do?
As a leader for this team, I keep my players focused so they don't lose their head and give away any silly mistake like tackle, red card, any of those.
Alright, and going into the quarter-final round, how do you feel about that?
Feeling excellent. We just have to stay focused and focus who is on our next opponents who is coming in front, and just go out there and show them what we can do.
Alright, finally to this or that Sports TV watchers, what can we expect from Charlie Smith High School going forward?
Going forward, we're going to expect more goals, more clean sheets.
Alright, there we have it from the man of the match. Thank you.